Alright, so hi guys, this video right now I'm going to show you the unboxing of my second radio. The other one was my Tech Soon, but I also purchased another radio, which is a digital radio, HD radio here. This one is also used in the Philippines, the digital radio standard, HD radio. This is the Sangean HDR-14 HDR radio, FM stereo, and AM radio. From Sangean. I bought this from a marketplace who sells this. I purchased this for around 3,500 pesos, so around $60. And here is the radio itself. Here's the not the radio itself, sorry, the radio box itself. Here's the front. Here's the side with the picture of the radio itself here, the Sangean logo, and the HDR-14, and also the QR code, which when you scan it, it brings you to the product page of the Sangean. And here is the front. Here is the back of it, the back side of it. The QR code for their social media sites, Sangean logo, the pictogram of the radio. Here's the HDR-14 HD radio digital analog AM FM, 40 memory presets, 20 FM and 20 AM. It has program associated data service or PAD. It supports for emergency alert function, which only works in the US. It does not work here in the Philippines. Automatic multicaster configuration, real-time clock, blah blah blah, date and alarm sleep function, 2 alarm timer, radio buzzer, snooze function, a humane wake system buzzer and radio, HWS. An information display for channel frequency, call sign, radio text, RDS, and pad. Easy to read LCD, battery low LED indicator, and the IO jacks, which has DC in headphone and HD and FM rod antenna. Stereo, real-time clock, the logos here, and the UIC code, HDR-14, black color, and the HD radio logo, which is under license Ubiquiti Digital Corporation. Right, that's about the box itself. Let's go and open it up. Here it is. Here is the manual of the HDR-14. The manual. This is in English. This one is in Espanol. Okay. Yeah, has a lot to it. I'm going to read this. Then here is the. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is the barcode or something. Barcode label of product. Okay. Oh, alright, the parts of the barcode product. Okay. And then here is the Sangean limited warranty card. Sangean America Inc. Okay. Gotta keep those in handy. Here is the power brick for the Sangean radio. It's also filtered, as you can see. It has this like filter here for the DCN, and this is the Sangean switching adapter. This supports 100 to 240 volts at 50 to 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts and 0.8 amps. And yeah, okay. Then here it is, and close on this little cloth. This little cloth is the radio itself. There you go. And let's open it. There you go. Brand new Sangean HD radio. Here is the front. I can still the smell of the brand newness of the radio. Yeah, still smells brand new. So here is the front of the radio. Here's the LCD screen, the power button. It feels clicky, which is pretty good. Band, info menu, HD SIG, page, the FM, the presets. And here is the back. Sangean HD radio, FM RDS AM digital receiver. Frequency range of 87.5 to 108 MHz on FM and 520 to 710 kHz on AM in HD mode. It supports also FM stereo, once again, 87.5 to 108. And it also supports AM 9 kHz step, 522 to 1710, and AM 10 kHz step, 520 to 1710. It also supports DC input 5 volts to 0.8 amps just according to the power supply, to the power switching adapter. And also the battery supports 1.5 volts, 3 batteries inside. Size is AA. Here is the battery compartment here. If I can pull it, there you go. 3 battery slots on there. Okay. Then here is the side, the left side of the radio. Here's the volume control. I don't know what it is, but also the headphone jack and the DC input. Here is the telescopic antenna here, and I think this is really really far. Yeah, this one is really far, really long. Sorry, not far, long. Whoops. Okay, that's seated perfectly fine. Oops. Okay, seated perfectly fine. And here is the lock switch, so you cannot touch the radio when it's operating. And here is the swivel, so you can go this around. You cannot push it through here. You don't want to force it. The flap goes right where the arrow was pointing to, so it's going to go pointing up here. Then the radio can be stand up, as you can see. It does not topple. And also it has a feet here, which you can also stand the radio, but it can easily fall off, so you need to flip the flap over. Okay, so that's about it for the radio. I'm going to test this out, see if it how it works, and I'm going to upload a video on it soon. Alright, so that's about it, guys. Hope you like the video, and if you don't like it, dislike it. If you like it, well, press the like button. Comment down below if you have some questions or any reactions or comments about this video, and also subscribe and click on the notification bell to to notify when I upload. Right, so that's about it, guys, and see you again on next video. Bye bye.